Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give one based review on Kabe shop. So let's check out the detail. Either this is a legit or a scams deal. So are you fan of Kabe Lane? Do you want to buy products which are offered by Kabe Lane? If yes, then you should check out this detail. Kabe Shop is the e-commerce portal that holds a collection of t-shirts, magic candles, Kabe charger, popcorn machines, Kabe user and much more. Let's check out the features about this website. It is HTTPS secure website. The company address is not visible yet on any portal. Contact number has not been shared on the website. Email support for direct communication is matching the domain name and it is a good sign. They are dealing with juicers, popcorn machines, t-shirt, chargers, etc. They have accepting different currency like US dollars, Indian rupees, Canadian dollar, etc. Presently, the website is showing discount on particular products. No social media page is active on the particular website. They accept refund and return within 15 days. Advantages of the website are it is providing the products with brand name Kabe. As we all know, Kabe name is a famous celebrity. There are so many currencies option available at the time of payment. The founder of the website is Kabe Lim. There is no shipping fee on any shopping. Disadvantages are no customer review could be found right now. Facebook, Twitter pages are not active, means no traffic on the portal and no publicity anywhere. Instagram page is active. The company address and contact number have not been shared anywhere. Website has launched on 7th June 2021. As far as its trust score is concerned, it secured bad trust score only 1%. It holds 8.6 out of 100 trust rank, which is considerable low. The content on the portal is plagiarized, if approximately 90%, and it provides a smaller number of items. So the question here is Kabe shop legit or a scam? As we are checking out certain parameters to check out its legitimacy. So as we have discussed, it was created on 7th June 2021. Like it is just new in the online podium. The founder of Kabe shop is the famous personality Kabe Lim. It has poor trust index only 1% and bad trust rank only 8.6 out of 100. It scored 0 Laksa ranking, which shows 90% plagiarized text. So in this time we must check out the legitimacy of any online portal, and we all know that customer reviews help us a lot, but unfortunately we could not find any customer feedback regarding this website. So in our final verdict we can say that as there is no customer reviews could be found and the domain is newly created with low trust rank and bad trust index with less number of items and less social media activities, so we are not recommending any one of you to shop from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and views right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.